Personnel from across Global Enablement played a very visible role in the coronation of Their Majesties King Charles III and Queen Camilla, but they also played a vital part behind the scenes.
The Air Security Force delivered policing and security across London and RAF bases and surrounding areas. Working alongside the Home Office and other service police forces, we provided 24/7 protection for both the public and military personnel involved in the largest ceremonial operation in nearly 70 years.
Number 2 County US Wing from the Combat and Readiness Force have provided protection and support against the threat posed by the malicious use of drones at the coronation.
Around 50 of the RAF's leading specialist drivers have been deployed to London to assist in the transportation of military personnel to and from the coronation, including all day and night rehearsals during the lead-up. There is a team of 8 specialists working around the clock in the Command and Control MT cell to manage all drivers.
Medical operations were responsible for providing RAF medics, paramedics and nurses for the main ceremonial event, as well as all the rehearsals in the days leading up to the coronation. Working alongside Strategic Command and our sister forces, we provided medical assistance for a number of casualties.
Battlespace Management Operations played a vital role in delivering the air surveillance and control of the skies of London. Our personnel delivered tactical control, quick reaction alert aircraft, and controlled the coronation flight past, all whilst ensuring the smooth arrival and departure of heads of state.
Regulars and reservists from across the Global Enablement are honoured to have been part of the coronation. God save the King.